say that to your boss, you make a call to your boss and you explain it to him, right? So
Mhm.
once you're there at the police station, right? And what if the police, the guy comes to you and he says that, like since we are doing the research about the case and everything, but if you want to leave, how about you give me a little money? So what will be your reaction to that?
Okay, they are talking about yes, Subon and bribe, isn't it?
Yeah, they're asking
Yeah.
bribe. Yeah, they're asking for
Yes.
bribe.
So they are like they are they are doing a illegal thing, and I will try to uh, go to the higher rank of official that they are asking me about a bribe. So it's not it's not a fair. Um, they are they are
It's not
they are
fair.
using
Yeah,
their power in a wrong way. I
in a
can,
wrong way.
yes, I can, I can argue with them if I am a knowledgeable person. So if I will have a knowledge about law, then they are also going to scare of me, because
They're also
uh
going to be scared
yes,
of you.
scare of, yes, me,
Scared
I
of
had
me.
said
Yeah.
scared of me. So I will go to the higher rank of cops, and I will inform him that they are asking
Mhm.
about bribe, and it's not fair. And yes, I will just let him know.
Mhm. No, that's right. Like what you're saying is correct way. If you talk about the correct way to do things, correct way to handle things, you are right. But if you talk about more practical way, it won't work because they
Yes,
won't let
yes,
you go to the higher officials. You will be
yes,
inside a room.
absolutely. Of
So
course,
how
of
will you
course.
react in that situation?
Okay. The thing is that if I am really a culprit, then definitely I will give them bribe. But somewhere I am, what can I say here? Um, I'm just trying to, increase the bribery in our country. So what
Mhm.
would be the exact word over here? Can you please let me know?
Mhm. Exact word for word?
Like if I know that I am a real culprit, then definitely I
Uh-huh.
will give them a bribe.
Bribe the
But
police.
somewhere I am increasing the, like I am just uh, what
You're
can I say here?
supporting.
Yes, supporting. And
Mhm.
the next time the if any poor and destitute people will come to them, then they will be not able to give them bravery. So somewhere I am creating a problem for them, right?
Uh-huh.
So if I
Right.
will right, so somewhere I am doing a not I am doing not good thing for the destitute people. So if I am a real culprit, then definitely I will give them bribe, so that I can
Uh-huh.
rescue myself from them.
No,
Yes.
but the thing is that you don't know what are the charges against you. It can be that
Oh,
maybe you are a culprit or maybe you are not. You don't know.
oh, okay.
So what
So
will
what
you
will I?
do?
Okay. So first of all, I will try to get to the point that whether I am a culprit or not, where I am suckly or not. So the first thing I will call to the lawyer, and
Uh-huh.
I will inform each and everything, whatever I came to know till now. And maybe he will have some method to seek truth, about. I would like to mention one thing here.
Hmm.
There was a one Socrates person. He was an immortal person, right? So he was
Socrates.
Socrates. So he
Yeah, yeah,
was a
yeah.
Socratic method to seek the truth. About, he was from Greek. So I am not a Socrates. I don't know the Socratic method.
He was Greek. He was from Greece.
Oh yes, he was from Greece. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh
Uh-huh.
yes. So I'm not. I don't know the Socratic method. So I will inform each and every problem, so that a lawyer can give me some suggestion and advice, and I will
Hmm.
follow their.
Hmm.
I will follow instruction of lawyer, and
Hmm.
yes,
All
I
right,
will do
nice.
as he will say.
Right, right, right. Okay. So yeah, Vivek, as I can see, like I want to have, like more conversation on this topic, but I see that the time is about to